Imagine, in the middle of the desert of the world's most powerful country, there exists a place so secret that even ordinary soldiers are not allowed to enter. A place where even birds are said to avoid flying overhead, where strange lights move across the night sky, where the people who work there cannot even tell their own families what they really do, and where if someone accidentally gets too close, armed helicopters may appear within minutes. Yes, today we are talking about Area 51, the most mysterious, most secretive, and most feared location on Earth. But this video will not be like the usual documentaries you see online, because today we are not just discussing the stories everyone already knows, we are diving deep.
It was created for testing experimental military aircraft, but the real question is, if it was only an airbase, then why was it hidden from the world for decades? Why was the surrounding area restricted for hundreds of miles? Why were satellite images kept hidden for years? And why did the US government deny its existence for such a long time?
The truth is that during the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union were racing to build technologies beyond human imagination, and it was here that aircraft like the Lockheed U-2 were tested, capable of flying so high that enemy radars could barely detect them. Later came the legendary Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, an aircraft capable of flying over 3 times the speed of sound. Imagine that technology like this in the 1960s. And that is exactly when sightings of strange objects over Area 51 began fueling UFO theories. Around the world, people saw lights moving at impossible speeds in the night.
Sky, objects performing maneuvers no normal aircraft of that era could achieve. The government remained silent, and silence created fear. Then came the famous Roswell incident in 1947, which exploded into one of the biggest conspiracy theories in history. Some claimed that a crashed UFO and even alien bodies were secretly transported to Area 51. Former military personnel came forward claiming they had seen technology that did not seem human. Some described strange metallic materials unlike anything on Earth. Others spoke of crafts capable of defying gravity itself. And then one name shocked the world: Bob Lazar, a man who claimed he had worked near Area 51 at a secret facility called S4, where he allegedly studied alien spacecraft. According to him, these crafts were powered by a mysterious material called Element 115. He claimed their engines could bend gravity itself, and strangely enough, years later, scientists actually discovered Element 115. Though not in the stable form Lazar described, but that discovery alone made conspiracy theories even stronger, so the question remains: is alien technology really hidden inside Area 51? Or was the entire UFO story created intentionally to distract the world from America's real military secrets?
Many experts believe the US government allowed UFO theories to spread on purpose so people would never suspect the existence of stealth aircraft technology. Because if the world had discovered too early that America possessed radar-invisible aircraft, the entire balance of the Cold War could have changed. And maybe that is why the government chose silence. But the secrets of Area 51 may go far beyond UFOs. According to several reports, this base has been used for experiments involving futuristic weapons, directed energy systems, artificial intelligence-controlled drones, hypersonic aircraft, and surveillance technologies the public may still
know nothing about. Some leaked documents and theories suggest aircraft capable of flying at Mach 5 or faster may have been tested there. That means traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound. Now think about this. If the technologies revealed to the public are often decades old, then what kind of technology could be hidden inside Area 51 today? Perhaps aircraft capable of flying around the globe without pilots, perhaps weapons that can disable enemy systems within seconds, or maybe artificial intelligence designed to fight wars without human soldiers at all. And that is what makes Area 51 more than just a military base. It may actually be a laboratory for the future of humanity itself, but there is also a darker side. Former workers have claimed they were forced to sign extreme secrecy agreements. Some said exposure to toxic chemicals destroyed their health. Lawsuits were even filed against the government, yet many details remain classified to this day. Then there is the mystery of the so-called Janet Airlines, a secret airline system made up of plain white aircraft that reportedly transports workers daily from Las Vegas to Area 51. Ordinary citizens cannot board these flights, only people with special clearance are allowed. Think about that. An entire hidden airline operating only for employees of a secret base. It sounds like science fiction, yet it is real. Around Area 51, warning signs mention the possible use of deadly force against trespassers, meaning someone attempting to enter could literally be shot, and that danger only increased the legend of this place. In 2019, millions of people online joined the viral Storm Area 51 event, joking that if enough people ran into the base together, they could finally see the aliens. The internet laughed. But the U.S. military responded seriously with public warnings, because perhaps they knew there really was something inside worth protecting at all costs. Now pause for a moment and think, if Area 51 truly contains technology 50 years ahead of the modern world, could humanity even handle the truth? If contact with extraterrestrial life had actually happened, why would governments hide it from the public? Maybe because of fear, maybe because of power, or maybe because revealing the truth could completely change politics, economies, religions, and human civilization forever. But there is another possibility, maybe. Area 51 is simply the most advanced military research center ever created, and human imagination transformed it into a global alien myth. Yet one fact cannot be denied: there are thousands of military bases around the world, but none are surrounded by mystery like Area 51. No other place instantly brings thoughts of UFOs, secret experiments, hidden aircraft, conspiracies, fear, and unimaginable technology all at once. And perhaps that is why Area 51 is not just a location. It is a legend, a mystery that becomes more fascinating, more dangerous, and more unbelievable with every passing year.